In this video, I'm going to go over the instructions for your research project proposal. Note that this paper is due on Blackboard in Module 6 on February 16, 2016 at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. You can always come back to Module 3 to review the instructions for this assignment. This assignment is the first step in your research project this semester. In this project, you will pick one dependent variable and 3 independent variables and determine whether the independent variables have an impact on your dependent variable. The first step is choosing your variables. You will pick your variables from one of the datasets from an SPSS Companion to Political Analysis. You can only pick variables from one dataset. You can find the datasets on the CD that accompanies an SPSS Companion to Political Analysis, or you can find them on Blackboard. I posted them in the research project proposal page in Module 6 for you. So once again, you have to choose one dependent variable and 3 independent variables from the same dataset. If you have forgotten how to open the datasets and/or read them, please see Lab Video 1, as it was designed to help you complete this project. In addition, there are codebooks for each dataset at the very end of an SPSS Companion to Political Analysis, so those codebooks could help you understand what the variables are measuring in each dataset. After you have picked your variables, you have to answer the questions in the research project proposal document located in Module 6, here. I will briefly go over these questions here. First, you need to indicate which dataset you are using. Note, you can only use data from one dataset. Next, you have to indicate what your dependent variable is. You have to give both the short name and label name that are used in SPSS to identify the variable. You also have to create a name for the variable that you will use in your final paper. Note that your dependent variable must take on multiple values and the values must have some inherent order. Here are some examples of variables you cannot use as a dependent variable. Voted or not. This variable only takes on 2 values, 0 or 1, so you cannot use that for this paper. Religious affiliation. There's no inherent order in this variable, so you cannot use it. Next, you have to perform a frequencies analysis on your dependent variable. Follow the instructions here to complete your frequencies analysis. If you have forgotten how to run a frequencies analysis, see Lab Video 1. Copy and paste the results of your SPSS analysis into your Word document. In questions 4 to 6, I ask you to interpret your summary statistics for your dependent variable. In questions 7 to 21, you will repeat this exercise for all of your independent variables. You will identify them by name, run summary statistics, and then interpret the results. In the last question, I want you to tell me what is the unit of analysis in your dataset. Are they individuals? Are they countries? When did they exist? Based on this answer, I want you to tell me if your dataset is organized as a case study, cross-sectional, time series, or cross-sectional time series. Good luck with your assignment. Feel free to ask me questions. I can also meet with you in person if need be. In addition to my online office hours, I have in-person office hours on Mondays from 10 to 12 p.m. in the Environmental Research Building on the 5th floor, cubicle 5146E. Remember that this paper is due on Blackboard in Module 6 on February 16, 2016 at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time.